To serve with love. Question number 5B. You'll be asked two questions of 2 marks each. You have to answer these for 2 marks. Take a fresh page, write the question on the, write at least the question number. Even if you're not writing the question, write the question number and then start writing. Leave 3 lines and start writing the answer. Before you write any answer, just put a small introduction to that answer. You can write this. The extract is an autobiographical sketch written by Braithwaite. Okay, don't make spelling mistake here. It is an autobiographical sketch written by Braithwaite. This describes the day on which half-yearly report of the Students' Council takes place. Okay, this introduction you can write for both the answers. And then your first question here is half-yearly report of the Students' Council highlights the conduct of Braithwaite's class. The conduct is shown in 2 parts. When he's initially joining the school, the behavior of the student is like they were not interested in the coursework. And then because of the behavior of Braithwaite, he manages with his teaching methods, he manages to develop a strong student-teacher relation. This is para 1. Again in para 2, his hard work is tested at the half-yearly report of the Students' Council, as the students are expected to present what they have learned. One by one, his students take the stage, speak knowledgeably about the course. Miss Joseph and Denham impress Braithwaite with their leadership skills. So these are 2 paragraphs for this answer. यहाँ पर just take a screenshot, read this twice. You don't have to mug it up. You'll understand what you have to write. Okay. Come to the next one now. Question number 2. In the questioning session, Denham was expressing few students feeling illustrated. When Denham was on the stage, he was of the opinion about the PT class. He was talking about PT class. He said that exercise could only benefit the students if they are performed every day and for the longer period of time. According to him, PT class was only for 20 minutes, which was a waste of time. These are the feelings of all the students that were expressed by Denham. Here again, pause the video, take a screenshot, read this twice. You'll be able to answer this question very easily. If you have read the chapter, even if you have not read the chapter, don't panic. See, just read this answer. Denham was on the stage. He was speaking for all the students. And his opinion was about PT class. That the time of PT class should be more than 20 minutes. It should be every day. Third question is, Miss Phillips effectively handled the questioning session, giving supporting details. Now, Miss Phillips otherwise is not a very appealing personality. But when Denham called her on the stage, when she was at the panel, when she was questioned, she was the only teacher who was able to handle the question session very nicely. Yeah, the question is, Miss Phillips effectively handled the questioning session. The most important feature of the half-yearly report was a panel discussion scheduled for the end of the program. Miss Phillips, Mrs. De Lemons, and Mr. Weston were chosen for at random to form the panel. Okay, the questions were mostly from senior students. They were caught off guard by questioning and were struggling to answer other teachers. Miss Phillips was the most informed teacher and answered the questions with honesty and authority. She also managed to skillfully tackle some of the questions posed to the other teachers in order to help them to save them from embarrassment. Furman and Denham blunt questions. They were asking blunt questions by talking loudly and pretending to be offended so as to avoid any valid explanations. But he could not justify the need for the PT class when Denham argued that the class offered no physical benefits. Miss Phillips stepped in, successfully defended the need of PT class. You have to write about Miss Phillips here. she was able to defend about the PT class. You have to write the examples. 1 or 2 examples you'll have to write. Just question is of 2 marks. Make sure that you write the introduction in the beginning and then you write 4 to 5 points, valid points, and you'll get marks for this. Start every answer in a fresh new page and don't forget to write the question number. Question number 4 is write a short note on the event which took place on 15th November in Green Slate School. Half yearly report of the Students' Council was the event. It was entirely arranged and presented by students. Miss Joseph, Miss Denham, they were the student in charge of the program. After writing this, don't put many examples. I've just given here 2 examples. 2 examples are more than enough for 2 mark question. See, if you're getting 4 or 5 marks, then you'll have to put more examples. I've just put presentation of 2 students. One is Miss Joseph here, who outlined the council's purpose and its activities. And another one, the meeting began with a speech of Mr. Florin, okay, and who were presenting Miss Joseph and Denham. The program was following this, each class took turns reporting through their chosen representatives on what they have been studying in the first half year, which had begun after the Easter. Each student had its own, each subject had its own representative. The lowest class was the first to present the report. For 2 marks, this answer is enough. I've put more information giving examples of others, but you have the choice. Read it, read everything. If you remember, you can put it. Just like Potter presented the report on mathematics. Mrs. Ning, they are teachers. Miss Joseph took the stage and began to talk about the class report by stating the common thing, the brotherhood of mankind and the interdependence that exists among the nations. Basically, every student was talking against the apartheid. Apartheid is discrimination made on the basis of color of the skin. So all students have prepared their reports according to it. Okay. So you just have to put 2 examples here. Pause the video, read this answer twice. You'll be able to answer it. Don't worry. Don't mug up all the things. You tend to forget. Now here, the extract presents narrator as a silent observer. This means Braithwaite is not doing anything here. He's just sitting at the back and observing the program. The half-yearly report of the students was a measure of the students' progress. क्या है? What they have studied throughout the year is shown in this report. ठीक है? At the beginning of the year, students were ill-mannered, impolite, they were rude and showed little interest in their courses. And then we have written this in the first answer as well. Braithwaite was very innovative and he really struggled with the students. He was patient, genuinely cared for the students and transformed their attitudes. Now, this is what happened in the beginning, and then Braithwaite worked on the students, and now on the day of the report, what is he doing? Is just observing how they have become matured. Braithwaite knew that on the day of event, all eyes would be on the students. He notes that it was one of the important days in the calendar of Green Slate School. The reports to be presented by the students were an overview that will judge the students. This made him excited as the day approached. The day finally arrived. Braithwaite took his seat in the audience. The report would show if the students had actually learned something from their courses. So this was the test of his hard work. It was finally time for his students to present the class report. He was anxious about their performance and sat up straight in his seat. Analyzing the change in students' behavior in the presentation is the central theme. Analyzing the change. Now, what is it? Again, we'll have to talk about 2 things. Students at the beginning were ill-mannered, rude. This we'll write in the first paragraph. They showed no respect to their teacher. Their language was bad. We'll put all those things. Here, sorry, don't put this line. Don't put this line. Okay. Then the incident is the turning point when Braithwaite rethinks his teaching methods. Then he begins to demand respect by showing respect to his pupil. He takes them to the field trips. He takes them to the museum. The theme of differing teaching methods is highlighted by the students' vastly different reactions to traditional teaching methods, and thus it analyzes the behavior of the students. Next question is, please pause the video, read these answers 2 times, 3 times. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box and I'll help you out with those answers again. Denham and Ms. Joseph played a key role in the presentation of the half-yearly report of Students' Council. Denham and Ms. Joseph, they were presenting, correct? And the program was entirely arranged and presented by the students. Joseph and Denham were senior students. They were the in charge. Joseph outlined the council's purpose and its activities. She told about the purpose. Following this, each student's class took turns to report. Then Denham delivered a shocking report as he criticized the structure and general pattern of PT. Finally, a panel of teachers were chosen. Then Miss Phillips was chosen at random to form the teachers panel. Denham protested the need for all students to take part in PT. You have to write about Denham, write about Miss Josephs. So learn three points, what Denham did, what Denham said, 3 points of what Miss Joseph said. And you can put these 3 points and your answer is complete. You can pause the video there and you can read those answers twice or 3 times and you'll be able to answer it on your own in your own words. The senior students presented their class report more confidently than the junior students, obviously. Half-yearly report of the Students' Council, an event entirely arranged by students. We are putting this line everywhere. You can put this line everywhere. This will score you half mark. Each class took turns to report through their chosen representatives on what they have been studying in the first year that had begun after Easter. Each student had its own representative. The lowest class was the first to present its report. Being the youngest, the children of this class were shy and frightened. This is the important point. Being youngest, children of the class were shy and frightened. But they managed to present their reports honorably. They managed to present it honorably. As each succeeding class presented its report, it became clear that the students progressed through the ranks. There was a noticeable increase in the ability to express it. Okay? Very easy answer. Now, Furman. This answer is also important. Furman was innovative and dramatic in his presentation. What Furman did is, he brought a skeleton with him. Actually, what they wanted to show is, okay, looking at the skeleton, can you tell that the person whose skeleton this is was a black person or a white person? No. The comic relief is the character that provides humor in the serious situation. Pehle to you have to tell what is a comic relief. Because Furman is said to give a innovative and dramatic in his presentation. He was the one to give a comic relief. Comic relief means the person who provides humor. The half-yearly report organized by the Students' Council was a day of great importance. When it was Furman's turn to present report on physiology, he signaled Welsh. He signaled Welsh and Allison to carry a skeleton on the stage. This sudden shift of atmosphere from serious, analytic presentation of his classmates to the image of Furman on the stage next to a skeleton hanging from a hook screwed into the top of the skull and gently revolving at the end of the cord immediately made the audience laugh. Kyun sab hase? There was shift of atmosphere from serious analytic presentations. Pehle presentations kaise ho rahe the? They were serious, they were analytic. Now what it is, the image of Furman on the stage. Furman was on the stage next to a skeleton, standing next to a skeleton. And the skeleton was hanging from a hook. It was screwed into the top of its skull and gently revolving at the end of the cord. Usko sar se screw kiya hua tha. And it was revolving round the cord. Gol gol ghum raha tha. And this immediately made the audience laugh. Through his dramatic presentation, Furman was able to relieve the tension of the audience by providing a comical element. He brought a comic relief in the students' council program. Last one. The stage has a great impact on the presentation of students. What is the importance? What is the significance of the stage? Kya hai? The incident is in the extract is in the auditorium of Green Slate School. Major theme of the extract is student-teacher relationship. Students prepare and present their half-yearly report. Throughout the extract, Braithwaite is merely an audience. As students take the stage, it becomes very clear that they have made considerable progress as not only students but also as individuals. Even if Braithwaite had been aware of how his students had changed, the setting of auditorium with him as an audience member allow him to observe from afar the rewards of his efforts. This is very important. This allows him to observe from afar the rewards of his efforts. Another aspect of setting is symbolic to the students' progress is the stage. The stage is symbolic of students' lives. By presenting their reports, students are not just taking active participation, they also come forward to take controls of their lives. The stage also represents the perfect platform for the students to showcase their skills. Braithwaite, as an audience member, is like a director of the play, watching his work unfold on the stage and beaming with pride. Read these answers 2 times, 3 times, and you'll be able to write it on your own. Don't panic. You don't have to mug up all the things. The only thing is that you should know. And read this so that you have words in your hand so that you can easily write and quickly write it. Don't write very lengthy answers because you'll fall. Time is very less and you'll not be able to complete your paper. One correction in part 1 was true or false number 4, that is not false, that is true. Middle class was not interested in middle class was not interested, that is a true or false, and the answer is true, it's not false. Okay, all the best, and I'll come soon with question number 5B, 5C. I'm sorry, I'll soon come with question number 5C. Okay, 10 questions we have. Till then, all the best and keep reading all the time.